Good morning. I am taking this beautiful walk here, and I wanted to show you guys this contraption. I put the leash around my waist while I'm walking my dog. See, I said it. And what that does is that enables me to have free hands so that when I'm walking, my hands are at my sides, my shoulders are swinging, I'm just freely moving and able to stay in that 3-lock mountain. It is very, very comfortable. I can use my hip strength to control my dog. I think it's a better posture way to walk, to support your posture, to make the corrections that you need to make. You're not going to be pulling your shoulder out, and you're going to feel a lot better at the end of your walk. If you find that it kind of pulls on your low back a little bit, sit the leash a little down, lower on your hips, and I think that that's going to be helpful. So this is just a little posture tip for you guys. Those of you who have dogs, who love animals, give it a try and let me know how you like it. Make it a posture perfect day.